Nimekuja Tanzania ku follow the course of spine surgery. Iko interesting kwa sababu huku back Congo kuna wagonjwa wengi wana shida ya mgongo. So participate kwa hii course itatusaidia wakati tunarudi nyumbani, tukimaliza hiyo course tutasaidia wagonjwa wana mashida za mgongo, na ni interesting for us as trainees to learn and to connect with international collaborators. Moi iko interesting kwa sababu nimeona hospital iko kubwa, ina machines mingi na waganga watibabu wakubwa wanajua hiyo maneno ya spine. Tunawaza tukikuwa hapa nao itatusaidia ku learn a lot from them, na tukienda nyumbani tutasaidia wagonjwa na to improve the care in the Eastern African countries. Moi, taasisi ya mifupa. Moi.